Everyone, welcome to a cloudy fuerteventura today. It is currently 2 minutes past 12 in the afternoon. It is 25 degrees air temperature. This is the start before the heat wave, guys. I don't know if you can see it clearly on the camera, but over there on the right there, this is cloud formation over the volcanoes mountain. Never seen that before here. Quite cool to see, to be honest. And another good thing is as well for me, the surf's up big today. Too big for me, but I'm going to go out later on at no tide. There's that one coming in now. Overhead high set coming in, perfect. Might get my drone and go film it. But yeah, definitely perfect today. 5 stars on the surf report from today until Monday. Good, oh my god, size of that. That's nice. Yes guys, I'm in my element right now. Size of this one, whoa. At a 10 foot that is. It is heat today. Oh nice. So yeah, just checking the surf today, but we got rain on the way as well today. Bit overcast today. Meant to have thunderstorms today as we got a heat wave coming tomorrow of 30 degrees from tomorrow onwards. And my brother should be coming to Fuerteventura. He should land at midday tomorrow. So of course I will give you an update if my brother is here. I hope he does come. But hey, how can I trust him after when he let me down once before? I don't know. Oh well, I've got to see what happens. So yeah, I'm not doing the tour today or not with the vlog. I'm not going to walk around and show you everywhere today, guys, because I'm just doing a quick vlog today of the surf, of the weather, and this weird formation cloud over Lanzarote. And yeah, basically, I'm in my fest top. I am. My fest top got my fest top. Nice and warm. Not cold, it's warm. Yes, really nice if the sun was out. Right guys, remember click that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and you'll be notified time updates to YouTube. Catch you all later everyone from Fuerteventura.